Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how you can upgrade your Azure Functions to the latest .NET and also the latest version of Azure Functions. Let's go. So here I have my demo Azure Functions application, and you can see that currently I am targeting .NET Framework 4.8, and also I'm using Azure Functions v1. So I will use .NET Upgrade Assistant to upgrade it to the latest .NET and also to bump up my Azure Functions version to the latest one v4. If you have not installed Upgrade Assistant yet, you can do it in Extensions, Manage Extensions, and here install .NET Upgrade Assistant. I did that already, so when I right-click on my project file, I can see a menu option Upgrade. And when I click it, Upgrade Assistant offers me to upgrade my application. It suggests the type of upgrade that makes the best sense for me. In my case, it's in place project upgrade, so I'm going to choose that. On the next step, I will choose the .NET version. I'm going to choose .NET 8. And here it shows me all the things that Upgrade Assistant is going to upgrade. I'll leave it as is and just click Upgrade Selection. Now Upgrade Assistant starts working, and let's go see the progress. You can see the spinning wheel. I have some warnings that I need to think about. Let's open it and read. Upgrade your functions app in Azure. That is a good point, so I should not forget to make required upgrades in Azure, and I can read more about how to do so. Other than that, the filled green checkbox means that Upgrade Assistant modified that file, and the empty green checkbox means that the file was compatible as is, so Upgrade Assistant didn't do any changes. I can see that everything is done. I have this good reminder from Upgrade Assistant, and it's completed with 7 succeeded, 0 failed, 4 skipped. Right now, as I go to my project file, here I can see that .NET target framework is .NET 8 and Azure Functions version is v4. So that easy, in just a few clicks, I upgraded my .NET Framework v1 Azure Functions to the latest .NET 8, and to the latest version of Azure Functions v4. In this video, I showed how you can very fast and easy upgrade your Azure Functions to the latest .NET and also to the latest version of Azure Functions, which currently is v4. Happy porting!